seller's market sa Metro Vancouver kung saan napakaraming opsyon at mas pabor ang market para sa mga nagbebenta ng property.
We're actually in the balanced market where meron pa rin mga properties that are currently sitting in the market for some time now, and then there are still properties that are selling fast just because of the affordability. And those are pretty much first-time buyers na up to this point, in demand pa rin. Kasi syempre, halos karamihan ng mga renters, gusto pa rin naman nila magkaroon ng sarili nilang properties. So at this point, busy pa rin yung mga first-time buyers, depende sa affordability nila. At saka syempre, yung mga houses or mga detached houses that are selling for approximately over $1 million, ayun yung mga tendency na mga nag-i-stay for some time just because, again, hindi naman lahat ng mga qualified buyers or other buyers kaya nilang ma-afford yung mga ganong properties eh. So it tends to sit for approximately about 2 to 3 months at this point.
Halos wala na raw ngayon spring ang mga bidding war sa housing market sa Metro Vancouver. Ayon sa isang Lower Mainland real estate agent, binababa pa nga ng mga seller ang kanilang mga presyo bilang strategy para makabenta.
Others are selling their properties way above market value with room to negotiate. And other properties are actually, they're putting it at a listing price lower above market value and then expecting a multiple offer situation. So at the end of the day, it's actually a marketing strategy. Pero alam ng seller, ang expectation nila.
Ayon sa report ng kumpanyang House Sigma sa Financial Post, 70% ng mga bahay na nakalista for sale sa Metro Vancouver ngayon 2024 ay nabenta below asking price o mas mababa sa nakalistang presyo.
What they actually don't know is that when they buy now at a higher rate, they don't realize that the properties are much lower as compared to the properties that was compared to when the interest rate was much lower. Siyempre, kapag lower ang rate, mas mataas yung market value at that point, and that was about couple years ago. Dahil tumaas yung rate ngayon, yung mga properties ngayon, mas mababa. So, and therefore, hindi nila na nare-realize na it's actually a good idea to buy now kahit na mataas ang rate. So, hindi nila nare-realize, and that's why they're backing out kasi natatakot sila sa kanilang binabayaran na monthly payment.
At dahil mataas pa rin ang interest rates, mas maingat daw ang mga buyers na naghahanap ng mga property ngayon spring. Ang iba, nagiging creative pa upang makakwalify para sa isang mortgage nang mabili ang kanilang dream home.
Dahil sa affordability, yung iba nagkakaroon ng idea to add another buyer para mas ma-qualify pa sila sa mas mataas na mortgage. So for example, kung mababa ang kanilang income and they can only afford so much, they are able to add another buyer in order for them to qualify for a higher mortgage. Tapos, nagko-combine na lang sila. At the same time, syempre, mas mababa yung binabayaran nila monthly kasi magkakasama sila sa bahay.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.